Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob here, and I got a small little tool haul. Not much, but sit back and see what I do. So I picked up this Craftsman miter saw, 10-inch. This 10-inch Sears Power miter saw. Blade is 10 inches, and it does work. I have tried it, and that's what I paid for it. 25 bucks at a thrift store. So I was using it and realized I didn't like this blade. So the next day I went to Habitat for Humanity, and this is what I found. So this is what I found at Habitat for Humanity. I've got this 10-inch for plywood. Blade, and it is then I've got this Feud Italy, and then this general purpose DeWalt, and everything's not too bad. I also picked up this DeWalt nail set, and this no-name sliding T bevel. And so, the blades, the DeWalt, and this, I paid $8. So, that was my tool haul. Didn't really go crazy. But yeah. Well, folks, that was the tool haul. Let's clean up that little bevel, and we'll see what it looks like. Well, that was the tool haul and a quick tool cleanup. What'd you think? Not bad for a no-name carpenter's bevel. So, as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.